lots of innovations, all from the world's best companies. Tell us, you go down to the booth, what are people seeing that's new?
The first thing that we kind of make sure that everybody understands is that we are here to tell everybody that we are committed to help them enable better learning outcomes for 100 million people by 2025. In order for us to accomplish this, we're bringing a few new things to the show. First, we'll redesign our education portfolio to make it even better, faster, and more productive. So we kind of are rebranding our Education Edition devices as Fortis to bring them to the next level, not only on performance, but even on size, to give them better screens so they can be more productive. Not only working on teacher and student devices, but also helping IT to manage and keep all those platforms secure. And to wrap that up, we are introducing a brand new digital transformation framework that we call Reinvent the Classroom International, that we can help schools and education systems to completely redesign the education experiences for the future. So we're looking forward to work with all of the team that could not be here, but we're going to be seeing very fast and very soon results. So that will be really cool.
There we go, and check out the hashtags to find out more live here at Bett.